Dear friends, happy New Year. இனிய தமிழ் புத்தாண்டு வாழ்த்துக்கள். இந்த தமிழ் புத்தாண்டு தினத்துல now we are going to discuss we have some beliefs and fight about Chitrai first the first month of Tamil calendar. In that Chitrai first used to call Tamil New Year. So happy New Year to everyone. So let me discuss about what is this. We have 12 months in Tamil calendar. Chitrai started with Chitrai, Vaigasi, Ani, Adi, Avani, Pratasi, Aipasi, Kartigai, Margli, Thai, Masi, Panguni are the 12 months calendar in Tamil calendar. So that Chitrai first used to call New Year. Like that Vishu, that is the first Happy New Year for Telugu people, and Happy New Year in January 1st we used to call English Gregorian calendar. So now when you see that we have to know about that, why these different calendars in various places, various countries. Okay, when you talk about particularly about this Tamil Nadu, and we have the system of special calendar based on your solar evaluation and revolution about the earth around the sun. So based on this sun, Surya Siddhanta we used to call. So based on the Surya Siddhanta, this calendar have created. So all that calendar based on that only. So which is highly related with astrology. So this is astronomy, highly related with astrology. When you see that here April 21st is the day, March, February, just I compare this Tamil calendar with the Gregorian calendar. Okay, now when you see that this is a poem we have in Tamil about our year calculations, how they are doing our ancient peoples in Tamil Nadu. We used to do this poem will indicate about how they are calculating the year. Naligai Elarai, Narchamam Tanalai, Poludagum Kanai, Poludirandai Toli, Dinamagi Nupadu, Tingalai Chenda, Dinavana Tirar Ande. So 1 year, Ande means 1 year, that is discussed about 2 into 6. So why 2 into 6? 6 month. So they divided into 6 month and 2 into 6 month. So 12 month called 1 year. And 30 days, Dinamagi 30 days is 1 month. And 1 day is 2 divided into day and night. Poludhirandai, that is day and night. There are 2 day and night. And 1 day divided into 4 samam. So Mudal Samam, Irandam Samam, like that, first, second, 3, 4, like that. There are 4 Samams and Naligai Elarai, that is your calculation about Naligai. So when you see that calendar, we have a watch, correct? Clock, we have a clock for 24 hours clock, railway timing, correct? So now when you compare this 24 hours calendar timing watch with our Naligai Elarai. So when you talk about Naligai Elarai, that is the one Sama. So we have 4 Samas. So when you multiply 4 into 7.5, it becomes 30. That is your Pagal Poludu or Iravu Poludu. So Naligai Elarai, Nal Samam. So if you multiply by 4, we can get 1 full day. When you use this same Naligai, we can compare your 24 hours daytime. So whole 24 hours we can convert it into 60 Naligai. If you convert like that, we can get the calculation, we can convert it 5 Naligai is equal to 2 hours. Or we can say 1 Naligai is nothing but 2 by 5 into 60. So that we can find it 24 minute is 1 Naligai. So that we can calculate 1 Naligai is nothing but 24 minutes. So like that, the whole day they divided into day and night, and day divided into 4 part, night divided into 4 part, which is called Poludu. So based on the 24 hours clock into 60 Naligai, or we can say that 30 Muhurta. So 2 Naligai is equal to 1 Muhurta. Like these are the ancient calculation, just for recall. Then some more things I have go through it. Mahayuga 71, Manvandra 14 Manvandra 1 Kalpa. These are some calculation about the years. So we have heard about Chadruyuga. There are 4 different named with Krida Yuga, Trida Yuga, Twabara Yuga, Kali Yuga. So these are the 4 different yugas. 4 yugas is called Chadruyuga, and that Chadruyuga in the ratio of 4:3:2:1. That is the ratio of Chadruyuga. So one Chadruyuga is called one Mahayuga. Okay, Mahayuga you have 10 times. If you add 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, it is 10. So 10 times one yuga is called a Mahayuga. So like that 71 Mahayuga you can call it one Manvandra. 14 Manvandra is one Kalpa. These are the ancient calculations available in our. So now we have almost 2022. So now add 2022 with 300102. If you add, you can get, now we have Kali Yuga. So 5124. Okay, 5124 is right now the Kali Yuga. Now we are in Kali Yuga. So age of earth is calculated through this type of, so more than 200 crores of year. This is the calculation we have get from that. And so now some more things I have seen in that. So the age of sun is 500 crores of years. This and all we have gathered from this calculation. Okay. And just you can compare our human life. Okay, 30 human life that we can compare with one Pitru life. 12 Pitru life we can compare with one divine life, divine year. Okay, like that you can compare. 360 human year is equal to one divine year. So like that we can compare. These are the some things to be known. So normally, so like that we have some beliefs and faith in our ancient period. So Brahma, so more than 1000 years, okay, is equal to 1 day for Brahma, and 432 crore years he will live in that. Like that, these are some beliefs and faith. So this type of calculation created us to know how our ancient people doing the year calculations. And this is somewhat non-Maregal, Rik, Yajur, Sam, Adarvana. So all the things are there in that. So by learning all these things, you may not get knowledge or wisdom, but you have to learn how to not be selfish, correct? Non-Maraya Katravani Gnani. It means you have to get wisdom by remove your selfishness. So these are the calculation. Just we can go through it. How our ancient peoples are calculating the years. Now, when you come to here, when you think about Tamil calendar, Happy New Year, we are used to say on the Chitrai 1. Now this year we have 60 different names. They have given one circle of 60 years calendar. So Prabhava, that is one name for first year. Like that, it started with Prabhava and ended with Anya. So here now, right now, this 2022 to 23, the Gregorian calendar refer to Subakridu. So now in here Tamil Puttandu Valthikal, this year we used to call Subakridu. And last one Pilava, and the next one Sobakridu. And like that, after 60 years again we can get the Subakridu. Now dears, you have to think about that. After 6 years means now 2022 plus 60, 2082. Suppose if we live, we have to, we can see that Subakridu Tamil year. So after 60 years. Then this was the fact. I have seen that Gregorian calendar, and April 1st they used to call New Year in ancient days and Rome. and they changed a new year into January 1st. So if anybody fails to say January 1st, or if they say April 1st is the Happy New Year, then they used to call fools. So this is the calendar indicating Gregorian calendar. So 1752, just they changed the date after 2, then next day is 14. So near about 12 days, just they skipped. This is Gregorian calendar, where we have a problem of leap year. Problem is there. February 29 is there. So such a difficulties, I think Tamil calendar don't have such a difficulties. There is no leap year, there is no uh, problems like that. The Fool's Day and all is not in our things. And to see that, so all the things they related with our customs like that. So now Chitrai, the month of first month of the year, okay, that is vernal equinox. So like that, Adi 18th summer, and Aipasi Diwali, we are celebrating that. That is autumn equinox. Like that, Pongal, Thai one is a winter. So these are somewhat scientific. The Tamil peoples used to celebrate all these functions based on the uh, revolution, evaluation changes, and climate changes. Right. So this one make me to think lot. This is the poem in Tamil which indicate about the sunrise and sunset. Chittirayum Aipasiyum Sirokum. What do you mean by Sirokum? In the month of Chittirai and Aipasi, we have equal hours of day and night. Night and day will be equal in these 2 months. Chittirai vittu Aipasi munnayindum arugerum. Okay. So what do you mean by arugerum means you can that days will be increasing. That is the meaning. So every month, every day, sunrise will differ. From Chittirai, today is Chittirai 1. So from each and every day, sunrise will be increasing. Sunrise time will be little more. And the day will be more. Night will be less. So that is the meaning. Chittirai vittu Aipasi munnayindum arugerum. Aipasiku pinnaindu maadam pisagamal iraverum. After the Aipasi, day will be less and night will be more. So this calculation with the help of Vidubu Mudi, they can do in fraction of second. So by the name, what do you mean by Vidubu Mudi? Why they put this word? Is there any meaning for this word? No. But mathematically we can see that. Let me explain you. Before that, you see that Uttarayanam, that is the word I have here. Dachinayanam, I have here this word. So what do you mean by Uttarayanam and Dachinayanam? See, the sun not rise in the east, exactly not in the east. So it will change every day. The rise of sunrise as per the earth views, it will change. So from Chittirai, it will be in exact eastern direction, and Vaigasi, it will be little most northern. So Uttarayanam they used to call from Thai to Vaigasi, that is Uttarayanam. Okay, that is in the starting of first Thai, the sunrise in the not exactly in the east, southeastern direction. So the next month, little bit sunrise direction will change from that south to north. For every month, that direction will move. Okay, and Chittirai, exactly in Chittirai and Aipasi, sunrise exactly in the east direction. This usually you can observe from your home itself. You can see that the both Chittirai and Aipasi sunrise exactly in the east, whereas in the month of Thai it is in the southern part of and if it is Ani, north side. So which is called Uttarayana. Uttar means north side. Ayana means the travel. So sun travel to north side, south to north side. And Dakshinayana is the word they are using for that. That start from Adi to Margi. So from north direction to south direction, each and every day, sunrise, the direction not exactly in the eastern, it will be changing. So this is one aspect we have to know that. And what do you mean by Vidubu Mudi? So V in that part of Va, V. In that order, third place V will be there. V comes in the third part, Va, V. So for each letters, we have to put 1/4 nalige. So 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. So V means 3 times. 3 into 1/4. I already said 6 minute into 3. So 18 minutes may have the difference in the next month, Chitrai. So in the month of Vaigasi, you have 18 minutes difference, sunrise difference. And we do come in that order, ta, di, do. So it is in the 5th place. So 5 into quarter, you have to multiply 5 into 6, 30 minutes. The sunrise time will differ. Like that, poo. So poo come papa, pp, poo, poo. So sixth letter. So 6 times like that, 36. So these are the calculation. After that, no, 18, 30, 36, again 30, 80. That is the circle, no. So that will change as per the sunrise time will change. So again we can see that how that going to happen. So these are the sun rising. Every day sun rising time going to change. Chittirai and Aipasi sun exactly in the east direction, as well as equal time for day and night. When you come to Vaigasi month, near about 18 minutes difference is there, 18. And after that Chittirai Vaigasi, Ani, then 30 minutes difference. Adi 36, Avani 30 minutes, Protasi 18 minutes, and again 0. Then Kartigai 18 minutes, Margali 30 minutes, Thai 36 minutes. So this is for entire month we are calculating. But each and every day the sunrise and sunset going to be changed. When I browse this thing in your Google, so this you can see that. So January month sun rising time. So it is between 6:30 like that, okay, 6:30 sun rising time, sunset time like that. So it is very less day. January we have very less day. February somewhat more day, less, and March more day. See the April. April day is more. May days are more. June, July. July is the longest day. Correct? More day. August, September, October, November, December and all less day. So by seeing that, it will change. Similarly, today is the New Year, Tamil New Year. So now we can see that each and every place sunrise time will change. So Kolkata now today, actually 14th of April now, 5:16, that is the sunrise time. Patna 5:26, like that in India. For each and every place, sun rising time will change. Chennai almost 5:55. This is sunrise. Similarly, sunset. Based on the sunrise and sunset, we can calculate the day, hours of the day. So 12 hours 41 minutes at Kolkata daytime. 46. If you see that, so maximum 49. 49 is maximum, I think. 49 at Jaipur, more day is there, and here Lucknow also more day is there. When you see that less day is 12:35, 12:35 is the less day. No, 27. 12:27 is the less day. Bangalore is the less day, and Chennai also less day by comparing this. So for each and every place, the daytime will differ, and sunrise sunset time will differ because of the earth is revolving itself, correct? So based on the longitude calculations of this is prime meridian, we have used to say PM, prime meridians, okay, GST, no? So based on that it will change. So each and every place the sunrise sunset will differ, and the earth is not as per the axis, it's more than 23.5 degree, it's slanting, no? So somewhat it's not straight, it's slanting. So because of that the sun rise and set time will increase. So have you heard about that? The polar region, 6 months continuous day, there is no night, 6 months. Have you heard that? Because of the globe is like that, and it is revolving itself. So that's why we are from Tamil Nadu, so we are enjoying day and night almost equally. But the polar region, 6 months day, 6 months night. So northern region, 6-month day, okay, from April. And here you have to say no, 6-month day here. So December 21st, the earth at winter solstice, correct? December 21st. And South Pole light, December 21st. December full day here, no night. April, here see northern pole, no, December 21st, full night. So this is called North Pole dark, December 21st. Only dark, no day, December 21st. The same did not December 21st, here fully day. There is no night on the day. So this is the problem in the polar region. So by seeing these changes and all, so sun rays, that seasonal changes, everything happened because of revolution. And this is somewhat interesting to see that for each and every day. This is April 14. Today is April 14. Today, so that longitude, okay, north to south, that line we used to call. So that is 90 degree north, 90 degree, 80 degree like that. So how the days are there, hours of day range and night. So that we can see that based on these changes. Here April we have here day like that. We are in equator region, so we have 12 hours 7 minutes day. Okay, if you go 10 degree north or south, then that day and night will differ. So go up, no, day will increase. 12 hours 20 minutes, 12 hours 34 minutes, 12 hours 50 minutes, like that changing. Even 13 hours, this is all daytime. 15 hours 52 minutes daytime. And if you go down 10 degrees south like that, so here daytime decreasing, 11 hour 54 minutes. So these are the range based on the longitude lines. Okay. And see, these are some results just to know that the longest day of the year differ from place to place. And this poem, சித்திரையும் ஐப்பசியும் சீரக்கும் சித்திரை விட்டு ஐப்பசி முன்னைந்து மறுஏறும் ஐப்பசிக்கு பின்னைந்து மாதம் பிசகாமல் இரவேறும் பின்னே விடுபு முடி. Using that விடுபு முடி, easily we can calculate about each and every month when the sunrise, sunset and all. Our ancient peoples are really great. They are great in 64 different types of skills. Okay. So let we all try to appreciate them, as well as you try to learn. See, visualizing the changing the patterns of this one will indicate you how. See that every day, May 5, May 12, it changes, calendar day changes. Based on the day changes, these times here fully day, 6 months day here, polar region, northern polar region. When September, October start, no, here southern polar region, no, that day is increasing. 6-month day, 6-month night. It's unable to imagine that. To live there, there is no day and night. It is very difficult for you to get a life there. Not only living beings, human beings, even plant, anything, nothing will live if at the polar regions. Thank you, dear students. So very good, mind-blowing ideas we have seen today. Thank you very much. You too go and do some research on this part. Thank you. Happy Tamil New Year to each and every one of you.